Hello, good afternoon, people. Hi, hustlers. How are you guys? Okay, Jed here again, and I'm coming to you live from Fujairah, UAE. Yes, welcome to Jed Lopez Digital Landscape. Bongga talaga, no? Okay. So, dito naman tayo mag-live ngayon sa aking page. Okay. To follow, ito kasi yung question na na-receive ko as follow-up for my previous live, which is answering frequently asked questions about my business, my digital business. Okay, so last time it was about what do we do exactly, which is, as I've said, we are leveraging social media. And now, the question is, ano bang sa social media na yan, what tools or apps do I use to run my business? Okay, so ganito, I will share my top 5 favorites that makes my building and running the business easier, fun, stress-free, ganon. So, okay. So, apart from the social media nga that I've said, for sure, karamihan sa atin talaga are already into social media, di ba? Napakadala na hindi gumagamit ng Facebook. So, say Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, YouTube, ano ba? Name it, whatever. You can use it. You can use it to run this business. Well, I use all, most of them. I use it. Okay. Or kung saan ka comfortable na gamitin. Yun lang naman yun eh. And anong best part pa dito is that even if you're like an introvert or shy person, it's not naman limited na kailangan social media. Papakita mo yung ikaw, yung sarili mo, yung mukha mo. If you value your privacy, there is always a way. Meron pa rin ditong pwede kang gamitin, which is we call it faceless account. So still, hindi limited itong business na to for people na kayang humarap sa camera like this, or may confidence na parang konti meron. Ganon. So, ayun, that is one of the perks ng yung advantage nitong business na to. Okay, so balik tayo dun sa top 5. Okay, yung sa social media, all done. Nabanggit ko na. Next is CapCut. Okay, yan ang isa sa mga favorite ko. So, CapCut, this makes my post parang a pro. Yung video editing skills, it's mukha lang ako magaling, charot. Pero it's all about the templates, and it's all about yung idea kung paano mo siya gustong i-share to people. So, CapCut, that's number 1. Next is Canva. Canva, this is my go-to app sa pag-create ng mga eye-catching visuals, logos, yung mga ganyan. So, yes, Canva is also good. Next is, my best friend, ChatGPT. Yes, ChatGPT. Of course, alam mo naman yan, parang this helps me, answer questions like a boss. Diba? Talagang kasi it can cater, it can customize yung mga questions na how you want it to be answered. Okay. So, next is, ano ba? Zoom. Bakit Zoom? Kasi this is, for me, this is perfect for mentorship. Hi, Coach! Hello! Thank you for watching. So, Zoom, perfect siya sa mentorship. Of course, dahil we are global, and this is a perfect way to reach and connect with business partners all over the world, So, and the best part here is all of the apps and tools that I've mentioned, these are super friendly beginner. Yun, super friendly siya. So you don't have to be a techie to use them. Plus, ito pa. These are all free versions. Yeah. Yes, I'll teach you some words, Coach B, later on. So, yeah, hello, coach. Thank you for watching. Yes, so I'm actually explaining or sharing what are my top 5 um, tools that I use to run this business. So, yes, so I think, yeah, social media, my one of the kung anong gusto mong platform that you're fond of using, and also CapCut, Canva, ano yun? ChatGPT and Zoom. These are all what I use. So that's it. And if you guys are already, hi Irina, hello, hi. So if you guys are already using this app, actually these are all in your fingertips. So you are just one step away from becoming a boss. So I encourage you to check out this business, this opportunity. Dali lang, just register your email in my website right there. You can see it from there. And then see it. Who knows, maybe this is what you're looking for, and this is what you can use also to, level up your career. Yes, yeah. So yeah, if you have any more questions, actually I've got a lot, so isa-isa lang muna. I'll see you in my next, maybe in the next few days. And yeah, just comment down below, and don't forget to hit like and heart button, ganyan, para yeah, I can answer. You can DM me also. I can answer the question straight right away. Okay. So I think that's it for me for today. And yeah, I love seeing you guys. Thank you for watching. And yeah, God bless everybody. Have a happy, what day is today? Tuesday? Yes. Have a happy Tuesday, everybody. And tama ba? Are we on Tuesday? Yes, Tuesday. Alright, thank you, and God bless everybody. Much love. Bye.